Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about meeting at the airport conversation part 2nd. If you have not watched the previous video, then watch that one first, then you watch this one, then it will be more crystal clear to understand the topic. So from here, basically we are going to learn exercises of conversation meeting at the airport. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Exercise 1. Sentence is this, that let us see sentence what it is. Where will you meet your friends? In this sentence you can see here meet. Instead of meet, we can use different words such as see, find, wait for, take, drive, leave. So this word how we will use in sentence, let's us see one by one. So number one sentence is, where will you see your friends? This one it came here. Now next word is find. Where will you find your friends? Next word is wait for. In sentence, where will you wait for your friends? Next word is take. In sentence, where will you take your friends? Next word is drive. In sentence, where will you drive your friends? Next word leave. In sentence, where will you leave your friends? Exercise 2. Where will you meet your friends? Here, instead of friends, we can use different words such as cousin, relatives, parents, brother, sisters, uncle, aunt. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see with example one by one. So first one is cousin, and in sentence, where will you meet your cousin? Next word is relatives. In sentence, where will you meet your relatives? Next word is parents. In sentence, where will you meet your parents? Next word is brother. In sentence, where will you meet your brother? Next word is sisters. In sentence, where will you meet your sisters? Next word is uncle. In sentence, where did you meet your uncle? Next word is aunt. In sentence, where did you meet your aunt? Exercise 3rd. Sentence is, where will you meet your friends? Here also same thing which we have already read in above example, that is instead of friend we can use same thing that like that only. Instead of friend we can use different words such as parents, see, when, cousins, get together with. But something in between is changed. Something in between it is changed. What it is changed? Let us see with example and we will understand more clearly. So number one word is parents. In sentence we use this one like this. Where will you meet your parents? Next word is see. Instead of meet it is changed here. Instead of meet in this sentence, above this sentence, here is meet. Instead of meet we are using here see. So let's see how it is. See next word in sentence, where will you see your parents? Next is when. When will you see your parents? Next is cousins. When will you see your cousins? Next word is get together with. In sentence, when will you get together with your cousins? Exercise 4. Sentence is, I will meet them at the airport. In this sentence you can notice here it is written I will. Instead of I will we can use different words such as you will, we will, she will, they will, he will. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see with example one by one. So first example is, and first word is you will. In sentence, you will meet them at the airport. Here we will not read the airport because here airport before airport, here airport starts with vowel, and before vowel, and whenever it is starting, any word is starting with vowel and before that the the is coming, then this one we will read as the, not the. So here it will happen the airport. Okay, the airport. Here also the airport, the airport, the airport and the airport. Next word is we will. This is word our next word, and we will use this word in sentence like this. We will meet them at the airport. Next word is she will. In sentence, she will meet them at the airport. Next word is they will. In sentence, they will meet them at the airport. Next word is he will. In sentence, he will meet them at the airport. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.